Hello there. I'm going to do a little something with Pebeo Vitrail, and what I actually want to do is show you how the moon paint sits on top of the vitrail. So I'm going to do a couple of little things. I've got some plastic down which I'll be able to peel it off, and I'm going to start with the black vitrail, which is just the transparent glass. And I'm going to pour a bit of that down, just spread it out a little bit. Let's have a little more. And then I'm going to add the moon. Now when you first, I'm just going to show you on this one, when you first get the moons, when they've been sat for a little while, what happens is you can see you've just got this sort of transparent layer on top, and underneath, just close that up, it is the colour that you're going to get. So the thing that happens, the magic is heavy, so it sits to the bottom, so you just need to give it a really good stir, and you can see that's coming up already, but just give it a really good stir. So once that's stirred, that's ready to use. So I've got two here. I've got the silver one and I've got a green one. It's emerald green. So I'm going to start with the emerald, and all I'm going to do, so I'm going to start by putting just a few drops of this on. Just letting these sit on there. So I'm just literally dripping it down. And letting it sit on the liquid that's underneath, the plain colour that's underneath. And you can already see that it's beginning to have an effect. You can see here that it's splitting. So you can see where this colour is splitting, and that's called the moon effect. It looks like craters on the moon. I fully understand why they call it what they do. I'm going to do a bit of the silver. Just to give me a different colour. Now this one feels slightly thicker. I think this is an older pot. So this may take a little longer to separate and split, but I'm sure it will. And that's beginning to pop around the edges. Let's put a bit more of this green down. Some down in the middle of that silver as well. I'm just going to watch and wait. I've got a crab forming over here. Not quite sure what this is going on here. This one, my silver's got a bit thick, so it's not separating out as much as I would like, but it still has this beautiful hammered effect. And I'm going to give it time and see what happens.